Namaskar, hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 20th century bronze coin pertaining to the British India era, also known as British Raj. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is 1/12th Anna. It was one of the denominations which was in circulation during the British India Raj. The year is 1918, the year in which Kheda Satyagraha movement began. As far as the design of this coin is concerned, it is in uniformity with that of 1/4 Anna and half pice coins. The denomination, the name of the country, the year is mentioned within a circle, and outside the circle there is a wreath. At the back, there is a crown bust of King George V facing left. He was the son of King Edward VII and also the second last ruler of the British India Empire before the empire got dissolved in the year 1947. Along with the bust, you can see the lettering George V King Emperor is embossed. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.